Hello, welcome back on the Software Ideas Modeler channel. Ever wished your spreadsheets, calculation graphs, and AI insights could all live in one place? The brand new calculation diagram in Software Ideas Modeler 15 makes that possible, and in this video, we will show you exactly how to use it. First, here's what we will achieve. We will create a new calculation diagram, add a table with data and formulas, separate calculation logic with function and value nodes, and finish by pulling instant insights from an AI processor. Let's begin. We go to the ribbon, open the Project tab, then click Add New Diagram. We choose Other in the left pane of the New Diagram dialog, then click Calculation Diagram on the right. We can also type the word Calc in the Find box to jump straight to it. We type a name for the diagram, or leave the box empty for the default name, and we click OK. Our blank calculation diagram is now ready. Next, we add data. We drag a table element from the toolbox and drop it onto the canvas. We click any cell to type Quick Edits. We select our table, then in the context bar that appears below, we click the Show Table Editor button. Inside the table editor, we paste our sample product data, items, quantities, and revenue. We click the formula bar at the top, type equals SUM, open parenthesis, then drag over cells C2 through C9 and press Enter to confirm. The total revenue appears. If we need to remove that formula, we simply select the cell and press Delete. Now we separate logic from the grid data. We close the Table Editor tab to return to the diagram. We drag a sum function element from the toolbox and drop it onto the canvas. We drag a value element and drop it beside the function. We draw a connector from the table to the sum node, then another connector from the sum node to the value node. We select the connector that starts at the table, open the Properties sidebar, and in the Filter field, we type C:(C). Now the value node shows only the revenue total from column C, while our data stays safely in the table. Time for the game changer, the AI processor. We drag an AI processor element onto the canvas. We double-click the element and enter this prompt. Which is the most popular product? Make it brief. Input, double brace, all, double brace. We connect the table to the AI processor, then connect the AI processor to a new value element. We select the value element, then in the context bar, we click the Recalculate button. Software Ideas Modeler sends the table data to our chosen AI model, and the answer appears inside the value element. Let's see another AI use case with product reviews. We drag another table element onto the canvas. We select the new table, click Show Table Editor, and paste review data for the same products. We drag another AI processor and enter this prompt. What is the biggest issue with this product based on the reviews? Reviews, double brace, all, double brace. We connect the review table to the new AI processor and the processor to a fresh value element. We select that value element and click Recalculate to reveal the main complaint. We duplicate the AI processor, change the prompt to what is the strongest point of this product based on the reviews? Reviews, double brace, all, double brace. We connect it the same way and recalculate again. Now we have both the biggest issue and the strongest point side by side, generated automatically. Let's recap. We created a calculation diagram, added tables with data and formulas, separated calculations using function and value nodes, and extracted insights with AI processors, all inside Software Ideas Modeler 15. Try the calculation diagram yourself and see how much time you save. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Software Ideas Modeler channel, and click the bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching and happy modeling!